In this video, we're going back to our survey data of high school students, and we want to see if maybe being a male or a female is influencing how they're responding to different things. So maybe more males feel more disagreeable about difficulty with reading, or maybe more females feel like they have more difficulty reading. We don't know. Let's find out. So the first thing I want to do is select all of my data, and I'm going to go up here to Data and Sort. Make sure that your data has headers, that you've highlighted everything. And I'm going to sort by sex, male and female. In this case, we had no trans students, no students reporting that they are trans. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight, again, all of my females. So I'm going to go to where my females are at 47, and I'm just going to highlight all the way across. Go back to home, and I'm going to just make this some color. And I'm going to do the same thing with my male scores. I'm just going to highlight all of my males and make them another color. All right. So this is a larger data set, and it can get a little bit hard to read and make sure that you are highlighting the right thing. So if I'm focused on this column, I'm just going to make that column bold so that I can make sure that I'm highlighting the right thing. So I'm going to first highlight all of my ratings of I've always had difficulty with reading for my females. So I'm just going to highlight all of my females and copy them over into our wonderful cheat sheet. So group 1 is going to be females. And then I'm going to do the same, go back to my data, do the same thing with all of my males. So highlight all of my bold to make sure that I'm in the right column, and all of my male scores for this item. Copy. And I'm going to paste them right there. You can see that I have missing data in here. It's not ideal, but it should work. And we can see right up here that this has changed. So my t-value, my probability value, is a 0.82. which is quite a bit higher than 0.05, meaning there is no significant difference. So if this was less than 0.05, I would say that there's a difference between male and female. In this case, it is quite large and much higher than 0.05, so it is not significant, meaning there is no difference between male and female on difficulty reading. So I'm going to say an independent sample t-test was conducted to determine if there was a difference between male and female on difficulty reading, feeling like they have difficulty reading. And since it is not significant, no difference was found between male and female. We can go back to our original data set, and this time maybe we look at something different. So I'm going to unbold this guy. And let's look at something different. So I feel like I'm a good reader. We could look at this one, do the exact same process, bold it, copy and paste, and interpret our results to see if there's a difference in any of these items based on male or female.